Hello everyone, it's time for another Weight Watcher lunch video. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Today I'm just going to be making a quick shrimp stir fry with these vegetables that you just saw. And I'm also going to be using one bag of jumbo raw shrimp that I got from Aldi's as well. I think this shrimp is like $7 where I live. So this meal is not expensive. We're going to be using one tomato chopped up to your desire. There's no particular way you have to do it. And of course, we're going to add some minced garlic with this because tomato and garlic is the way to go when you're cooking any type of stir fry. It just makes the dish so flavorful. So we're going to add that and we're going to mix this around. We're going to let this cook for a little bit, and I just put enough oil, you guys, in the pan, enough to coat the pan. And this is going to be split between 4 people, or if you are a single person, you can use this for a couple dinners, for like 3 dinners. You can add, I love this dish because you can add rice to this dish. You can put all of this on top of a baked potato if you like, or on top of a bit of mashed potatoes. It's so easy, but let's get into this. So you guys, here is where I added just like a cup of broccoli that I had cooked the other day. I just wanted to add it so it wouldn't go to waste. So this is just like a whole heaping mouthful of vegetables, but it's so good because the sauce makes it so tasteful and so flavorful. It's really good. So you're just going to cover this back over again after you mix it, and cover for about maybe 5 minutes to let it cook down some. And let's get back into it. I am just going to add me some more garlic, of course, because I am the garlic queen. Told you, keep away them energy vampires. But you're just going to mix this well. And at this point, you guys, you can take this out. Like if you wanted to mix it with some rice, you could either add your rice to the pan, or you could take it out and pour it over top of the rice with the sauce. Or you can do the same for a baked potato. You just take this off because at this point it's done. I'm just letting it cook just a little while longer just to make sure those carrots are soft, because I don't really like hard carrots. And then we are going to plate this. So here you guys, let me just show you what this looked like all together. So many vegetables, and it is so delicious. I cannot express enough how good this is. That white wine sauce, the white wine vinegar is optional, but you really do need it. Look at this. This is so good. I'm going to put this on a plate. Ta-da! Look at this. So delicious. So this is my plate, you guys. As you can see, it's not a big serving, but it is, because these vegetables are so fulfilling. It's like filling vegetables. You really don't need a starch. That's why I didn't include one. And it lasts you. You stay full for a long time because you have the shrimp, which is the protein. You guys know. You know. So let me show you guys that this here is on 7 Weight Watcher points on the blue plan, which is what I'm on. So you can have a fulfilling, satisfying meal without feeling guilty, and you still have tons of points left, girl. Okay, you guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. And again, I thank you guys for watching me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, because I may not be making a video before then. But happy Thanksgiving, guys. And as always, thank you for watching.